Khadija presented herself in marriage, so you said it's okay for a woman to do this. What do you say about a woman who presents herself to a knowledgeable brother and he refuses because she's not white? What we have to understand is that inna akramakum indallahi atqakum, the best amongst you is the one who is pious. Colors in Islam, it's not looked at in our religion. It is not looked at in our religion. Yani in the eyes of Allah, there is piety. Yani the best one can be white and he can be a black person. Color doesn't make you bad, good or bad. What makes you good or bad is your actions and your deeds. But also, that being said, a person can have preference. You might like a particular background and a particular ethnicity. Someone might not like a person who's black, but he likes a person who's white for marriage, for example. Or another person might like black but not like white for marriage, for example. And it's the person's choice. It's something that the Sharia permitted for them. They can choose.